Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you want to log in your WhatsApp and facing this issue that verification code not received on your phone number, I'll help you how to fix this problem or how to get verification code. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys, after going to back, simply you have to open your settings on your iPhone. And guys, you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if you are connected with weak internet connection, simply you have to change your internet connection. And guys, if you have only one connection, simply you have to click on that Wi-Fi, and guys, simply you need to forget your network and reconnect it again with your iPhone. And guys, if you're using mobile data, simply you have to turn on your mobile data and disconnect your Wi-Fi. And guys, the second step is you need to click on general, and guys, you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, simply you need to disconnect that VPN, and after doing this you need to go back. And after this you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset and you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem, so guys, by reset network settings your problem will be fixed and you will be able to receive your verification code on WhatsApp. And after doing this, make sure that you have selected your own region. So guys, when you have clicking on region, make sure that you have selected the region according to your country. And after doing this you need to go back. And guys, you need to check your date and time. Make sure that date and time set on automatically. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, if still not fix your problem, simply you have to click on iPhone storage. Maybe there is problem on your WhatsApp or there is bug on your WhatsApp. So guys, simply you have to click on WhatsApp from here. And guys, you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all the methods your problem will be fixed. And guys, simply you have to restart your iPhone, and after restarting your problem will be fixed and you will be able to get your verification code. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.